and Kiprono Felix Advocate, and I appear alongside Mr. Yegon Vincent. We've been instructed by an entity called Chama cha Mawakili, and the said body is aggrieved by the decision of the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, whereby the said commission, they made a decision on 8th of April 2022, and in that decision they classified and or banned the usage of certain terms and or words, and specifically my client is aggrieved by the decision to classify and or ban the words Hatupangwingwi and watajua hawajui. It is our contention that the said National Cohesion and Integration Commission has acted ultra vires, and also they have abused their mandate. Their mandate, which is so stipulated under the National Cohesion and Integration Act 2008, is very clear under Section 26. But what the Commission has done is to descend into the arena of politics. They have done the opposite, because the issue of the decision, that is the communique that was shared in the press, is ultra vires. They don't have such a mandate. And even assuming they had that mandate to classify certain terms and or words as hate speech, still there is a process. First, the usage of Hatupangwingwi and watajua wajui is not hate. Those are harmless words. And we have invited the court to audit the said words and vis-a-vis the role of NCIC. So it's our contention that the said decision is illegal, it's irrational, and it's unconstitutional. It should also be noted that the Constitution under Article 3 is very clear on the freedom of expression, whereby it allows latitude to Kenyans to use the words that they wish to use in expressing themselves. And as such, the Hatupangwingwi means not arrange as, and also watajua wajui. These are harmless words, but these are commissioned and unconstitutional. And as such, we humbly invite the court to audit that decision and to declare that decision as unconstitutional and illegal, and to quash the decision. But in the interim, we are seeking orders to state the execution of the implementation of that decision, so as to allow Kenyans to use the phrase Hatupangwingwi and watajua wajui. Reasons being, if the decision is to stand even as at now, anybody who will use that decision will mean that they will be cited to have or to attract the criminal capability. The investigative and prosecution agencies can move swiftly and even arrest any Kenyan using the said words if it is not state ex debito justicia. So what we are telling the court is that in the Kenyans to express themselves the way they have been doing. So that is basically what we are inviting the Honorable Court to consider, in the interest of justice and also in the interest of granting Kenyans the latitude to express themselves freely as guaranteed by the Constitution. And we are also saying that in the timing is also key, because this is an entity which is supposed to foster national unity and cohesion. But you could see the justification as by the communication is whereby now they are saying that this word is mostly used by certain aspirants who have not had an opportunity in certain leadership position. And as such, it can be construed that the intention of the national NCIC is to grant or confer undue benefit to other political formations or entities at the expense of others. And which means what we are saying is that they are bound to work within the realm of the law, the Constitution, and the NCIC Act, and they don't have any mandate whatsoever. That's why we have invited the Honorable Court to audit that decision.
What we are telling the NCIC is that let them leave politics and concentrate on their core mandate as provided by the Constitution and the enabling statutes. Waache mambo ya siasa, waachie wanasiasa waendelee na kazi yao. The issue of the way my learned colleague has illustrated what is happening, what the bottom line is that our client demanded that we move to court so that we ensure that at the end of the day, the political field is left open and free for all parties to continue with their daily business, that is doing their day-to-day politics without any party feeling that the commission is targeting them unfairly. Thank you.
And orders.
The matter is filed under vacation rules and certificate of urgency, and the matter has been placed before Justice Ndungu. So we are waiting for the court's directions. Thank you. 057 of 2022.